Welcome to Tycoon Training. This session will cover creating properties and inspections for due diligence. Begin by logging into the Info Tycoon web app and selecting your company. Select Properties under Due Diligence, then click the New Property button. Enter the new property information including the name, description, and address. If your company does not utilize regions in Info Tycoon, select Global. Next, click Import Property Layout to load in your rent roll. This page includes an example of how your rent roll should be laid out. The rent roll should include building, unit, and floor plan names. After selecting your rent roll, review the column headers to make sure that the data is being imported correctly. Next, view the Floor Plans tab and select Edit All Floor Plans to apply rooms. Here you'll see all floor plans listed as columns and Info Tycoon's standard room list listed as rows. Checking the box next to the room name will apply that room to all floor plans. You can also check and uncheck rooms within the grid to add or remove them to specific floor plans. Use the arrows to the left of the room names to reorder the rooms by dragging and dropping them in the room list. This order will apply to all floor plans. Before applying floor plans to rooms, check your template. You may need to use the Add Room button to apply rooms that are specific to your company's template. If your company's template utilizes a room that is not on Info Tycoon's standard room list, use the Add Room button to add it. You can also add additional unit features that are specific to the property, but make sure you add them to your template. Once all rooms have been applied, click Save. Rooms can be reordered or updated during an inspection if inspectors request an update to match the unit flow. Next, navigate to the Buildings tab and select Edit All Buildings to apply building areas. Edit All Buildings works just like the floor plan application. Always check your template to ensure you are applying the correct areas. If your company does not perform exterior inspections, you can disregard this step. Next, navigate to the Site Areas tab and click New Site Area. First, you'll select a site area type. The types that appear in this list are populated from your templates. You can add as many site areas as necessary. You can also add multiple areas of the same type, as long as you give each one a unique name. You can add a new type by typing in a name. Don't forget to edit your template to add questions for this area. Now that all of the property areas are set up, we can create the inspection. Click Inspections under Due Diligence. In order to create an inspection, you must have available licenses. You can purchase them with a credit card or contact the Info Tycoon sales team to be invoiced. Click New Inspection to create a due diligence inspection. Add the inspection name, description, and start date. The description will appear in the app as instructions for inspectors. Next, select the property you just created. You'll see the Property Info section populate to show which spaces exist within the property. All spaces are automatically selected. Click Update if you want to remove a space from the inspection. Next, select an inspection type and template to use. The Template Info section will populate once you select a template. Here we can see that there is no dog park or laundry room site area, nor patios within the units. These areas do exist within the template. If you excluded them in error, return to the property to add them. Next, select the users that will complete the inspection. Users must have already been created to appear here. They must be assigned to the inspection to download it in the mobile app. After the inspection has been created, you can edit it by clicking the Edit icon on the inspection card. Edit the inspection to change the name, start date, instructions, add more users, or add and remove areas. Select Edit Template from the menu to change the questions and answers that appear on this inspection. Select a room, then click the Edit button next to any question to change that question. You can add to or change the choices available for multiple choice questions. You can update the costs that apply to choices. And you can set photo or comment requirements for choices and set default answers. You can change the order of questions within a room. And you can add additional question sets for rooms or amenities not present on your standard template. Let's add a question set for the racquetball court. Next, add questions to the new question set. Let's add a multiple choice question with good repair replace options. If a new question set or new questions were added, edit the inspection to apply them. Update the property info to include the space on the inspection. Next, update the template info to include the new questions. If inspectors have already downloaded the inspection onto their mobile devices, they must refresh the inspection in order to see the changes. Click the Reports icon to view reports at any point during the inspection. For more information, watch the Due Diligence reporting video. Please contact support@infotycoon.com with any questions.